Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. Thanks for swinging by our YouTube channel today. In this video, we want to go over a really unique folding mobility scooter. It's actually a recreational folding mobility scooter. Once you remove the batteries, it only weighs 37 pounds. It's airline approved, and it has a top speed of 8 miles per hour. Plus it can support 265 pounds of weight. So it's pretty unique. And I'm going to show you some more about why I like the scooter. So let's get into it. So just to give you a little backstory, eFOLDi actually has two scooters, two folding scooters. They have one called the eFOLDi Lite, which is more of their medical scooter. That scooter can actually get down to 31 pounds when you remove the battery, and you can remove the back wheels. It's also airline approved. The biggest difference is that one can only go about 4 miles per hour. This one is faster, and it doesn't have the electromagnetic brakes. So, and it folds it's really different in the way that it folds. So let me go over some of these controls so you can see. It does have a twist grip throttle. So it's this little piece here is what accelerates. So it's not the whole grip. It's just this component right here. This is where you get your battery life. It's right here. You got a set of keys. This is your speed control. So this is on the 2 setting. When you fully accelerate, that's how you get to that 8 mile per hour top speed. This is the 1 setting, so it's about half of that when you fully accelerate. And then if you have it in 0, that's when you go in reverse. You also have hazard lights. There are left and right blinkers, but here's what the hazard lights look like. So it actually shows up on the sides. That's where your blinkers would be. And of course it's on the back too. And these are reflectors. It also has a front headlight, which is right here. So you can kind of see it here in the daytime. Here's your left and right blinker. Here's a horn. And here's your handbrake. So when you let off the throttle, this scooter will continuously move. It's not going to have the electromagnetic brakes like the eFOLDi Lite or many mobility scooters. So you have to be aware of this. So you have to brake it just like a bicycle. This is kind of more of your locking mechanisms, how you lock it into place. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as with the controls. Now you do have foot pegs here. This is where you place your feet. They also have foot peg extenders that actually go on these and extends it out further. So if you're tall, it'll help with not getting your knees in the way. So like I'm pretty tall, I'm 6'4", and without the extenders, my knees hit the handlebars. I mean, I can operate this, but I would say you need to be shorter than my height. I'm 6'4", you probably want to be around maybe 6'1" or shorter. It would be a lot more comfortable for you. Tires are pneumatic, so they're air filled, front and rear. You've got a storage pouch here on the back. You can store some belongings. And there's some accessories you can get as well. So with the scooter, you can get a seat cushion, which I highly recommend. It's got cushioning on the base and then on the back. You can get a storage bag. It's like a backpack that basically goes around this, and you have storage on the back in addition to this. And there's a tire inflator kit that you can get too. So it's just like a wireless battery powered tire inflator, but you can pump this up with just regular like bicycle tire if you wanted to. Let me show you how to fold it. Pretty unique. And it does take a little practicing to get used to it. Would you like a free mobility scooter? We're actually giving one away. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. And once you've done those 2 things, you'll be entered into the drawing for our next scooter giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce the winner on social media. So what do you have to lose? So the very first thing you want to do is you want to fold the seat back down, just like that. I'm going to remove the keys, put them in my pocket. The next step you want to do is you have a little latch here. So you want to press this, and then it'll fold the tiller down. Here's your foot pegs, you want to flip them up. And at this point, you want to stand this up. So if I stand it up like this, you'll see that the wheel can lay like that against this part of the scooter, and then the rest of the tiller is on here. All right, so once you have it like this, where the tiller is laying on this side, the wheel is on this side, there is a little latch here that you press this, and this will allow the scooter front wheel to fold into here. So you want to kind of keep it like that and fold this down. There's a magnet here that connects to this part of the tiller, and you'll see there's a little latch here you'll hear it click. So now it's locked into place. So at this point, you can keep it like this. You could wheel it behind you. If you're going through an airport, or if you didn't feel comfortable lifting it, you can even get it more compact than this. So there's two little levers here, and you can fold this in, and now it's at the most compact position. So with the battery, it weighs 42 pounds, so it is light, regardless if you have the battery or not. I like this too, so if you have trouble, since it's such a unique way of folding, you get used to it after doing it a few times, but if you had some trouble, you can scan this QR code, and there's a video that shows you how to fold it step by step, so you have that as well. To unfold it, the very first step you want to do is you have these two levers here. Press this, extend this up. So this is your handlebar, but it's also part of the base of the seat. Now you have this latch down here. You unlatch that, and then you just bring the tiller up like that. So now we got the tiller laying over the handlebar. Now at this point, you want to lift this up and then break the wheel away from the magnet, and this connects just like this. Then you want to lay it down, and then lastly, just pull up the seat back. Now you've unfolded it. So again, it takes a little practice. Another thing I really like about the scooter that I think is very unique. So because it has pneumatic tires, it allows some give, but it also has this spring suspension, and it's in the corner of each seat. So I'll show you what it does. So I can show you the kind of give. It's not a compressed spring, and believe it or not, it really does a good job of absorbing bumps pretty well. But if you get the cushion on top of that, you've got a super smooth ride. Oh, one last thing I forgot to do is you got to flip the foot pegs down. There's actually two colors of the Explorer. So this is the black color. You can see this is black, the tiller is black. It is gray here, it's gray on the seat. They have another color that's all gray. The all gray one is actually discounted a little bit more, but if you want the black, it's gonna be a slight upcharge. And I think that's because they're trying to deplete all of the gray models. So eventually they're all gonna look like this and have this black frame. The tiller will be black. All of the guards around the wheels will be black. So you can see I can even move backwards, right? Like I can back it up like this. So got on the 2 setting. We're gonna get it up to that top speed, 8 miles per hour. And again, if I let off the throttle, it's gonna keep going. So you have to have the dexterity in your hands to be able to brake. One of the great things about eFOLDi is that we're really confident in this company and the quality of these products. They're made of aluminum alloy, which helps keep the weight of it down, but makes it super strong. That actually helps with the give that it has too. So aluminum alloy, it's built to be super strong and sturdy, but it also has like a little bit of a give too. So if you factor in the 4-seat the 4 springs on the seat, the pneumatic tires, and the aluminum alloy frame. It really has a lot of give. Like if I go over this right here, you can see there's a little ditch. It has a lip on it. And I didn't really feel that much. So it really is one of the more smooth riding folding scooters that's on the market. Plus it's super lightweight. Hey, just wanted to interrupt real quick. We do have a catalog of all of our top sellers. It's not all of our products, but a lot of our top selling products. And if you'd like a copy of this, all you need to do is call us, provide your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you. Or alternatively, you can just go to the top of our website, click on free catalog, fill out your information, and we'll get it submitted. Now back to the video. So one of the things that I really like about eFOLDi is we actually offer a 7-day free trial with these scooters. And the way it works is you just purchase the scooter like you normally would. You can call us to purchase, you can do it online. And then you have to keep all the packaging, but once you receive it, you have 7 days to try it. You must try it indoors. And that's just to make sure that it fits you correctly and you feel comfortable in this. But then once, within 7 days, if you don't feel comfortable, it doesn't fit you correctly, or you don't like it, you can give us a call. We'll send you a prepaid return label, send it back, no cost to you. So it's really a risk-free way of trying it. But if you'd like to learn more about the Explorer, or you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.